is our group of therapy dogs.
She loves it. She goes, oh, you're right in there, Ivy. I love Tracy. She's awesome, but she's tough on me. I went in all apologetic because I knew, like her waist disappeared. I'm like, my dog waist.
They have great conversation with each other. Hey.
That was hard telling. She has allergies.
Hey. Who's barking? And this is lady Brenda who organized all of us. Therapy dogs. Yeah, I will. What name of your dog? What name?
I put on his back on his chest.
Jet. Okay, nice name.
Because often I'll say his name is Jet. I say Jerry. She's got to find out. She's solid. She runs in the yard with her back. Otherwise, they hear her music. And it's just because she's running. Like she doesn't usually come out. No, they're just.
Would you introduce your dog?
Oh, this is Ivy. She's a Portuguese white guys.
What's a breed?
She doesn't sit still though.
Okay. Wow.
She's a regular. Oh, I really got her.
Here is what's Roscoe. Okay, here is Roscoe. Sunshine therapy dog.
Roscoe. Roscoe, look over there.
Just name. Yours. Okay, this is yours. You eating something? What are you eating? I'm not making faces. Probably scale. Yeah, it's scale. She likes this museum.